Morning.
Wild one, red bins. Anyway, look, just been into Better Value Farm Store, what have you. Check out the fresh face because I had that interview, man. Had to go for the clean baby face. I look like an absolute pillar. I look like Chancellor Palpatine out of Star Wars. If you any man know that, like that's how pasty me look. Anyway, I just bought this spray paint, so I'm about to go and do some tags, some graffiti. No, not really. I'm gonna go and spray up my blocks and my steel. But we haven't been there yet, so I'm gonna go and see. But I've heard you got to do that, so I'm gonna go and do it. Eediat in the bush. Gets a bit wet out here. Right, we're on the land now. We're on the land and we're just gonna try and count the stuff that we got. So here you go. I'm just gonna count. We just had a delivery of steel, so I'm gonna count the steel. See that the land is becoming very green and lush once again. So this is gonna all have to be strimmered back by someone with a strimmer, I guess, in the near future. Obviously that bit down there where I've started digging the trenches is not as quite as green, but look, we're gonna make sure that we keep on top of this. Yeah, this is some this is some tie-in wire for the steel. Here is the preliminary footings for the build. These are not the final ones. I've got to dig them out with a Mac drill. Look, this is the solid rock. Look, can you see, Mish?
Yeah, I can see where you've had to stop.
Yeah, look.
A big piece, isn't it?
Yeah, and it needs to go deeper than that, like 2.5 foot down. I've got to get on that, but deeper there, so it's level.
Yeah.
So I don't know how deep I'm gonna have to get there. Yeah, so how do you recommend that we go about digging out this solid rock? Look, you can see it a bit better because it's rained. Look, that is solid, absolute solid, and so is this. All of this is solid in the ground. Look, so I'm gonna use a pickaxe and probably start like here, this just like here, and I'm basically just gonna work around it. Hopefully, we'll see if that works. You guys all right there?
Yeah, just hot, but we're good.
And then here is the steel. Like I asked for 23 and 16 or something. So
look about right.
Don't know. Let's have a look. All right, so this is our new water tank. So I had to buy it twice because it's so good. This one's called a Rock Solid 650 gallon. So who knows? Apparently it's got 10 years warranty. I don't know if that counts for people pushing it over, but we'll see. Here is the original one, 1,000 gallon rather tank, and here are the 500 blocks. Now I've counted them out and meticulously, like 5 times I've counted them out. So I'm down here in the shade and I've counted these blocks out like 5 times or something, and like a whole bunch of times, gone through every row, and it's supposed to be 500, but it is actually only 495. I don't know if that's because someone saw them being dropped off and pilfered a few off, or it just so happens that they've just shortchanged me by 5 blocks. Who knows? Maybe I've counted wrong 5 times in a row. But we'll see. I mean, 5 is what's 5? Nothing much, but just saying I'm not casting any aspersions or calling anybody a thief or nothing. I promise you, I have no idea what's going on, but there is only 495 there, but then there should be 500. So somebody tell me what might have happened to them. What do you think's happened to them? Do you think that the delivery didn't, like, it came with 495, or do you think that I've miscounted them a whole bunch of times, or do you think someone's swiped 5 of them when I'm not here? Let me know. Alright, so I'm here and I'm about to do a little bit of graffiti. My tag is Jamrock 1. No, it's not. It's anyway. I'm gonna just mark up these blocks because I've heard that's what you gotta do.
Should write Eediat. Should write Eediat.
Yeah, come here.
See, come read this. Come read what Daddy's written. Come quick. Come have a look. What's Daddy written? Come here. What's he written?
Eediat in the Jamrock.
Not Daddy, huh? Good boy, come away. Nicely done.
Huh?
Nicely done. Good stuff, good stuff.
Here, come over here. These are the ones that are gonna get nicked, huh?
Watch out, T. Come back, T. Come back. Good boy. You're right, Melly.
You need to write 20.
Yeah.
What? Step back, Thea. Step back, please, Theo. Really? So here's Daddy marking up everything. Well done. Come away a bit, Theo. Right, well done, darling. Shall I bring you in, Mel? Well done.
Now right on this side of the water tank. Make a monster truck on it. Make a monster truck on it. Make a monster truck on this one.
What else is there?
That's it. Ah, hazy. That's it, darling. That's all we got.
Oh, excuse me.
Write 2 + 2 = 4.
I'm going to bring Melly to the car.
Right, Let me borrow your hat and get me. I'm just trying to do it quick.
Yeah.
Come out the way, Hayes, or go to Daddy.
Go to Daddy. But I'll come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we done? All right, guys. So I'm doing a little test to see if these are too sandy. They don't look it. They're like dark colour, but this one's broke anyway. So we're going to sacrifice a block. Supposedly, this is what I've been told to do. So I'm going to see if it breaks. It's already broken, but if it crushes the dust. To be honest, it's solid as a rock. So here we go. Now. All right, so I dropped it from not very high, and it's kind of, I don't know, is that good? Is this a good block? It feels like it's pretty poxy, to be honest, but I don't know. Again, honestly, I'm not doing this to just effect. I know nothing. I'm an Eediat in a Jamrock. I don't know if that's a good block or not, or if I should be, you know, you go on Google or what have you, and it tells you should do these little things to see if it's like a good block or a good batch. I'm literally just following the instruction of what I've read about. I mean, is that a good block, or is that a bogus block? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, please, guys, if I've just got 494 blocks that are useless. All right, thanks. There's that one block test. Guys, if you like my terrible content about me smashing up breeze blocks, then like, subscribe in the comments. That'd be absolutely fantastic. I'm just doing this so the AI can't replicate my face later on down the line, just to prove to you that it's AI. Because if you do this, yeah, sorry, it's not AI. If you do this, hand in front of the face, apparently it proves that it's not AI, because AI can't do that properly. Yeah, so not AI, because I've had some comments about it being AI, me being AI. So, oh yeah, also look at my horrible ugly face without a beard. I guess beards are man makeup, because look at the state of me. No one smashed it up, really. That's just me, you know, being a paranoid guy. Anyway, this is the new one, like I said. So I've counted out the steels. Seems all there present and correct, which is good. That was a different supplier to the blocks. Not much, but there you go. So this tank here was something like 250 quid, okay? The blocks were like 83,000, yeah, which is like, with delivery and that, works out to be like 400 pounds. So it's like 400 pounds a block. So it's like a pound a block or something like that, or just under. That's with delivery. It ain't that much without delivery. But here's the blocks. They're like just shy of 400 quid, about 400 quid with delivery. The steel was something like about 60 or something like that. Or so it's nearly, so it's like 280 quid once you've got delivery. And then the tank was like 250 quid. But I'll go through them later if I remember. But all in all, yeah, I think to get the foundation done, it's going to cost about £1,500, which is something like 30,000 or 300. No, yeah. Well, I'll work it out later and I'll flash it across the screen. But it ain't that cheap. So we've sprayed up the blocks, obviously, because the tank's gone over. So we've had to buy another one, and people I've seen people doing this around like where we are, and people say it's a good idea just to spray them up, so you know, it kind of puts people off, and obviously you can see if some have been taken, but hopefully they're not. Hopefully our neighbors and the people around here are all good people. Sure they are, you know what I mean. Try and spread nothing but love and good vibes. Don't want any negative vibes, not what we're about. Trying to keep it strictly PG, family friendly for basically the rest of my life. Do you know what I mean? Like I say, it's all about the kids and then hopefully the grandkids. So Min Island Supermarket, Texaco. Guys, you need a wee-wee? No. Alright. I tell you what, man, it's a little bit spicy out here today. Guys, ain't it spicy?
It's very spicy.
Come on, man. Yeah, so we're going to get some drinks with the lads and lasses. Going. What do you say, big man? Come on, guy. Come on, guy. Get. What drink are you getting?
Yeah.
This is what we got. That's for mummy. That's for mummy. Got a swizzle and a swizzle. That's a selection, man. That's the £5 munch. One bread bins. It's 5:30 in the morning, and I'm just leaving Manchester. I would have left as soon as the sun come up at like 5:15, but Hazel woke up as I was leaving and had a rumbly tummy, so I had to get up and make her some milk and 2 pieces of jam on toast, and I had to wake up mummy because we've only got 1 door key, so I had to get her to lock the key because you can't put it through the letterbox because there ain't one, or you can't slide it under the door. I've tried, so unfortunately mummy has to get up at like very early. But anyway, I'm getting up at 4 a.m. and I would have left earlier like I said, but I couldn't. Anyway, it's only literally just 5:33. Should get to the site, be on the site by like 5:30. Really, I want to be getting there for 6 at the latest. Okay, so I'm still like half an hour late really on what I want to be doing. And when we start getting into this, we're going to move closer to the site in a few months, and when we move closer to the site in a few months, I'll be there for literally 5 a.m. so just as the sun comes up, I'll be starting work so I can see what I'm doing. Anyway, come to Jamaica, they said. It'll be sunny there. Did you do that here?
We do only deliver from here, really.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, we have the shop on the road, you know where it is?
Nah, whereabouts?
Alright.
Is it in town?
Yes, in town.
And that's where they do the steel?
Yeah, we do like invoices and everything.
Yeah. And then you come here with a ticket?
Yeah.
Ah, see, is that the same with the blocks as well?
The blocks now, you can, they have another outlet.
Yeah, so I wanted to get the steel and the blocks at the same time. Is that possible?
Calm down.
You want to pick it up?
No, I wanted delivery. That's the thing.
I think delivery is not the same time delivery, same day delivery.
With the steel and the blocks?
You need what?
Ready.
Yeah, so basically you have to do 2. You have to do 2. Yeah.
Relax.
Alright, cool. Alright, no way.
Or you can also buy the blocks over here too.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get the blocks. I'm gonna go and talk to the lady in there. Is that alright?
I think you can buy the blocks over here too.
Oh, I can buy them at the main thing?
Yes.
And then that'll be, but then the delivery be 2 cost?
Yeah, because they're different. They're 2 different entity rates.
Yeah, okay, so yeah. Alright. So, I'm just trying to work out what's going to be cheaper, obviously.
Yeah.
Like, what's going to be cheaper? Is it going to be cheaper to buy the blocks, or... So you come here with the ticket after you pay there?
Well, you don't have to.
Okay.
But it will come down, they'll send it down.
Oh, okay. And
They
then,
don't have to come back here.
all right. So could you give me a price on the, or would I need to go there?
They would give it.
Oh, okay. All right, no worries. That's cool.
Stop being nosy, T.
T, what are you
All right,
doing?
let me tell you where it is. We're around town, you know, I realize you're not so familiar with it. You may not be so familiar with it.
Yeah.
You know where the mothers.
Yes, no mothers.
Alright, right across from Mothers Plaza.
Yeah.
Plaza there.
Yeah.
Oh, is it the
Okay.
back of the plaza?
No, man, right across from Mothers. Right on the front.
Yeah, there's that. It's got the sign on the wall.
Something
and it-
hardware.
Yeah, so it's there.
Right, right in the plaza here.
Oh, okay, so
And that's the
go.
first building right here.
I'll go in there and check it all out.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time,
So
mate.
thank
And do they
you.
sell do they
So
sell
thank-
plumbing like PVC pipes and that as well? Oh, wicked! I'll go there. Alright, thanks for your help, mate. Appreciate it. Come to Jamaica, they said. It'll be sunny, they said.
T, come.
Come.
Stay.
And that's with delivery. Yeah, so that's the operating charge as well. Yeah. 28 rods, you know, like lengths.
Hazy,
One wire
come.
roll. Finding one.
Come.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Hazy. Mama hand. This side, I've got this hand's free.
So they've had a year's worth of rain in 1 month this April. A year. That's a separate tank, isn't it?
Is it? It's like what it looks like.
Yeah, you can get different ones, you know.
Yeah. Sounds nice and organised.
Yeah. Keep down here.
And what's my big jump? Yeah.
Cheese and pickle, that's a big
Amazing.
one.
What about?
Cheese and pickle, that is really super.
No, I have some rope.
You don't have to tie down the tanks or anything, do you?
You can do.
Alright.
You can do, yeah. But look, are they?
No, that's what I noticed. Like it's called a rhino, and I was just wondering.
Yeah, you can tie it down. Yeah, because, like, but you know.
Because what stops them going off the roof? That they're
Mom, I will stop having fun.
don't have fun.
Hello again, how are you today?
Morning. You say morning to the lady. Turn round. Morning. You say morning, the lady behind your desk.
I want to know.
Well, you know you're not going to get anything nice.
Hello. What? He needs to learn to
What's that?
be good behavior.
Yeah.
Yeah, 23 3/8. And it's one roll of wire, just the cheapest.
Mommy, I don't think
And then I ain't gonna bother with the 40 pounds.
Leave it alone.
Damn.
Like that.
No,
Hmm? Oh. I think it's a taxi going past. Getting TV.
Oh yeah, have you got the fittings as well?
Thank you, Hazel.
Do you know all the fittings that I need?
Well, it's a wrong right now.
I might just come back with fittings, honestly. Don't worry about it now, so it's a bit of a headache, isn't it? And I'm not 100% sure. And I know what to do, I just need to look at it.
Okay, one
And I can't look at it now, obviously. It might be a mistake to buy it because I might buy the wrong bit, you know what I'm saying? Okay, yep.
Where am I? Where
Because the lady's selling them, they're not for us, darling.
Mommy, say something again.
Who are you hiding from, Mummy? Is that a total? Okay. Cool. So, and can I also just buy how much is the mat? The mat,
Come.
No. Yeah. We're only going to be 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Cheers, man. Come.
Mind where you stand. Morning. Go on.
Hey, don't step on it. Get off of it.
Go on.
Taking that thing to pieces.
Good girl. On then. Go on. It's a different one. Look, there's a baby up there. Yes. Hello, morning.
You alright?
Good
You
morning.
alright to come in, or shall I wait for this to... Sure.
Watch out because it's wet. Yeah? Mine out because it's wet.
Ah, okay, good. It's beautifully...
Oh.
It's, yeah, hey, do you want to sit there?
Yeah.
Wet.
Hazel. Can you two just sit down? This isn't a playground. Just sit down.
Let me just try.
Okay.
Take my card and see.
Okay.
Yeah. And then if not, we'll go back to what's it called?
Can't even remember.
For the blocks.
The blocks, yeah.
Oh, really? 3 weeks?
1 month.
Oh, really? Alright. Is that everywhere or just you guys?
Can I speak for themselves?